This is a quick walkthrough of how to connect Liver with TalentBoost, so your AI interviews run automatically whenever a candidate moves through your pipeline. First, log into TalentBoost and select the workspace you want to connect. Open your workspace settings, head to the Integrations tab. Here you will see the option to connect Liver. Before you click Connect, make sure you are already logged into Liver with a super admin role in another tab. This is required because the integration needs permission to read your pipeline stages, candidates, and postings. Now click Connect to Liver, and it will automatically connect. Once connected, you will return to TalentBoost, and you will see every stage from your Liver pipeline listed here, ready for mapping. This is where you decide which stages should trigger which AI assessments. For example, if your pipeline has a stage called AI Full Interview, map it to the AI Full Interview assessment. From now on, any candidate moved into that stage will have a full interview scheduled for them automatically. You can do the same for AI screening or any other stage you want AI to handle. Once your mapping looks right, click Save. Now switch over to your Liver account and open the Settings page. Head to the Integrations and API section. Open the Webhooks tab. Find the candidate stage change webhook and enable it. This is what tells Liver to notify TalentBoost whenever a candidate moves between stages. That is all the setup. Let us see it in action. Pick any candidate in your Liver pipeline. Move them into the stage you mapped. For this demo, we are moving the candidate into the AI Full Interview stage. Within seconds, the candidate is added to the matching TalentBoost job, and their AI Full Interview is scheduled automatically. No manual work, no imports, no copying data between tools. Connect once, map your stages once, and let TalentBoost handle the rest.